The 660 nanometer red light therapy lamp is a versatile device that offers two treatment options, allowing users to either use it with a stand or directly wrap it around the body for targeted therapy. Combining 104 pieces of 660 nanometer red light with 208 pieces of 850 nanometer near infrared light, this lamp effectively supports skin repair and reaches deeper tissue layers. Its unique design allows for easy disassembly and flexibility, adapting to various positions such as lying, sitting, or standing, providing convenience and comfort. The adjustable height feature, ranging from 42 to 57.5 inches, ensures that it can be tailored to fit different users and settings, enhancing its functionality. Whether at home during yoga sessions or at the office, this lamp is perfect for relieving fatigue and stress, making it a practical addition to any routine. Given its thoughtful design and functionality, it makes for an ideal gift, ensuring relaxation and happiness for loved ones.